Shorty got a body of a goddess. She says she wants to fuck with me. She dropped down like she wants it. And she's a real freak, ass and physique. What up, y'all? You know what it is, it's your boy J Soul Melody. I'm coming live to y'all from the studio. I wanna let y'all know, come out August 2nd, support my boy X5, his birthday bash. We gonna get it in, doing the barbecue thing. We got drinks, bottles, Hennessy, Grey Goose, Ciroc, whatever y'all want for y'all heart's content. Get it right with us, you know what I'm saying? Again, August 2nd, holla at your boy. Ooh, yeah.
Boom! You don't know see X5. This coming August 2nd is my birthday bash right here at the studio. Also my video shoot. It's only $30. What the fuck? Yeah, $30. You could also get some barbecue on the grill, liquor. You could drink your fucking ass away. It's only $40. Don't get me wrong.
Roka Chow, she's a diesel. I make them know say no. I represent for X5 birthday bash, right? August 2nd, you know say I'm mad sitting it, I got brawling. Come catch you dance with the whole world like X5 birthday night of motion hype. That's the Carbon aftermath, right? You know say it's all inclusive. $30 for your ticket, it's a private party. Can't tell you no where there, but I have to link X5 both on Facebook.
Also that night, we'll be partying right here. The studio is upstairs, we're partying right here. Ladies will be talking, dancing right here, triple pole, ladies will have fun. It's all inclusive, $40. You could also hit me up on Facebook at X5 Bold. Inbox me, it's a private party, you have to get invited by me, don't get it twisted.